benefits of papaya seeds. Number one,
Number one, protect the kidney.
C. Alam nyo ba na ang papaya ay nakaka-protect o nakakapag... Ano ba yung protect sa Tagalog?
Protection. Nag-aalaga.
O yun, nag-aalaga ng kidney. Number
Okay.
two,
Help cleanse the liver.
naglilinis po siya ng ating atay.
Improve intestinal health.
Tagalogin mo. Improve intestinal health. Okay. Number
improve.
4.
Protect the digestive system.
And number 5,
Absorb excess fats and sugar.
so isa-isahin natin. Nakita nyo? Buto lang pala ng papaya. Kung hindi nyo gustong i-blender, pwede nyo lunukin. Kumuha kayong kutsara, isang kutsara lunukin everyday, makakatulong mo sa inyo.
Darna!
Sige, game.
Eating papaya seed helps prevent kidney failure problems and also helps treatment when you are already suffering from this problem.
Okay.
For this case especially, we recommend chewing 7 papaya seeds 7 times a day.
Okay, eating papaya seeds help prevent kidney failure problem. Maraming problema sa Pilipinas ngayon, kaya po dumami ang dialysis center. Dahil napakaraming Filipinos ang nagme-maintain ng synthetic medication. True? At dahil may maintenance ka, yung side effect nun, makakasira kay kidney. So how can we protect kidney from acquiring such diseases as chronic kidney disease or renal or kidney failure? You can eat 7 seeds ng papaya, ngunguyain mo yon for 7 days. So araw-araw 7 buto ngunguyain. Pero malaki maitutulong niya kay kidney. Okay ba yon? Okay. Sige.
Papaya seeds detoxify the liver easily within a month and increase the appetite mainly in elderly, children, and alcoholic patients.
Ayan. So kung ikaw ay alcoholics, yung mga
Manginginom.
yung mahilig mag-inom,
The drinkers.
kung gusto nyong matanggal ang inyong hangover, pwede kayong ngumuya ng 7 papaya seeds. Oh.
Okay.
Mapoprotektahan pa niya ang kidney tsaka liver mo. Number 2 na.
Number 2 na. Okay. Number 2.
Yan.
Number 2, helps cleanse the liver.
Yan. Bakit?
The liver is one of the most important organs in your body because its task is to filter toxins and toxic substances to prevent many diseases. When this organ is affected by some kind of illness, you are at risk of developing chronic problems. For that reason, it is important to give it a hand and help cleanse the substances it doesn't need.
Okay. So, paano natin matutulungan ng liver? Karamihan sa mga nagkakaroon ng sakit sa liver ngayon, unang-una, fatty liver, nababalutan ng taba, that may lead also to liver cirrhosis.
Liver cirrhosis.
Ang liver cirrhosis is early detection that your liver can have a hepatocellular carcinoma or pwedeng mauwi sa liver cancer. So, paano natin maiiwasan yan? Makinig, ha? Mag-grind kayo ng 5 buto ng papaya. Mag-grind. Haluan nyo ng lemon. Yung pigaan nyo ng lemon. Okay, i-grind, ipigaan nyo ng lemon. 1 tablespoon, pwede na to. Okay? Drink the mixture twice a day for a month. At magugulat ho kayo, yung fatty liver nyo will be gone. Okay ba yan? Parang di sila masaya. Tigilan natin to, tara.
Hindi, tapusin natin yan.
Tapusin natin. Oh, sige.
So yun po
Wait, teka lang.
Oo.
Yung mga nanonood, okay ba yan? Okay? Yung mga nanonood dyan sa kanilang Facebook, okay ba yon? Kung okay yan, palakpakan naman! Number 3.
Okay, improve intestinal health. Thanks to the high amount of anti-parasitic enzymes, papaya seeds improve intestinal health. These have an telmintic alkaloid called carpane, which has the ability to get rid of intestinal parasite.
Yan. Para naman po matanggal. Yun, nakita nyo? Intestinal parasite. Yan yung kinukwento ko kanina. Yung amoebiasis.
Isa siyang parasite.
That is an intestinal parasites. So, para po mag-get rid daw ito at hindi, o tumibay. So, kukuha ho kayo ng buto ng papaya, ibilad ninyo, patuyuin, ika nga. Pag natuyo na, i-grind po ninyo siya, i-dilute nyo siya, yung powder niya, i-dilute nyo sa tubig and boil it, pakuluan.
Okay.
Ako ang ginawa ko, diniretso ko, di ba? Pero ito yung tama. Iboboil nyo yung powder. Ulitin natin. Patuyuin, dikdikin, yung powder pakuluan. Tapos pwede mo siyang inumin dahil kung mahina ang inyong panunaw, ito po ang magpapatibay ng inyong digestive system. Okay ba yon? Ang
2
inyong
to 3 times a day.
Alright?
2 to 3 times.
2 to 3 times a day. Yan.
Okay, number 4.
Galing, no? Usually, tinatapon lang natin yan. O, ngayon, maganda ba yung natututunan?
Protect the digestive system.
Yan.
Papaya seed also have powerful antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that improve digestive health. Various studies have found that papaya seeds fight salmonella.
Oh, kita nyo ha, pati po ang salmonella virus ay kayang i-control o patayin ni papaya seeds. Oh, ano pa?
Staphylococcus.
Patayin mo!
Staphylococcus.
Okay.
Oh.
Pati po yung mga virus na pwedeng makita sa ating digestive system. Makinig ha, kanina, parasites. Ngayon naman po, even bacteria and virus can be killed by the properties of this
Papaya seed.
papaya seed. Okay ba yung papaya? Oh, ngayon na-appreciate natin sila, no? Okay?
7 seeds 3 times a day.
Yan, we recommend eating 7 seeds 3 times a day for 14 days. So, i-rewind nyo kung para matanda. Ano ba yung sinabi nito? Gano'ng katagal? I-rewind nyo po ito. Panoorin nyo ulit. Nakasulat naman daw kung paano. Depende kung saan nyo gagamitin. Okay. Next.
Okay, number 5, absorb excess fats and sugars.
Yan.
Here's another of the most important benefits of papaya seeds. Papaya seeds also have a fat burning effect
Aha.
on your body because they have the ability to stop the body from absorbing excess fats and sugars,
Sugar. Okay.
which accelerate the digestion process and contribute to weight loss.
Kaya po pala nagtatabaan. Dahil yung sugar na hindi nadadigest, nadideposit as cholesterol at nagiging fats. So, consuming 7 seeds a day, whatever way you want it, dik-dik, buo, naka-grind, naka-blender, nabilad, whatever, makakatulong po ito to lose weight. Okay ba yan? Para matunaw ang mga fats. Kaya si Boss Big, ayan, tignan nyo naman ang katawan. Wala. Kasi simula nung pagkapanganak sa kanya, papaya kinain niya. Okay. So, may natutunan ba?
Yes.
At nalaman nyo po yan dito sa
Alam nyo ba?